It's been a while. I'm sure marami sa inyo ngayon ang nagtataka kung nasang kusina ko. Today is a very special episode of Maya Cooks. Alam niyo naman, kung mahilig tayong magluto, mahilig din tayong kumain. At ako, personally, marami pa akong hindi alam lutuin. And what makes this episode even more special is that we will both learn how to cook. So this time, hindi ako ang magtuturo sa inyo kung paano magluto. Sabay-sabay tayong matututong magluto ng Indian dishes today. So ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay boneless chicken tikka masala, boneless chicken biryani, and dosa. At sino pa ba ang magtuturo sa atin kundi ang mga amazing chefs ng Indian Fusion Cebu, sina Chef Arifa and Chef Vincent! Yay! Hi, Chef Arifa. Hi, Chef Vincent. So they are the amazing chef behind Indian Fusion Cebu. Napakasarap po ng mga dishes nila. Go check their Instagram account and their Facebook page. So today, chefs, you are going to teach me how to cook boneless chicken and tikka masala and boneless chicken biryani. Naku, napakasarap. Kung mahilig ka din sa spicy, ay naku, magugustuhan mo talaga itong pagkain na ito. Anyway, so what are the ingredients that we need for these dishes?
First, we need the spices. Ito yung salt, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, heavy cream, kasuri methi, coriander leaves, tomato, green chili, onions.
Unmarinated chicken.
Marinated chicken. Ang pinagkaiba talaga ng Filipino dishes from Indian, marami silang spices, herbs and spices. Yung common lang sa mga Pinoy, di ba? We only use ground pepper, o kaya minsan gumagamit din tayo ng mga chili powder, ganon. Pero tignan mo naman, pag Indian dish, sobrang daming ingredients. Kaya sobrang rich ng flavor ng mga dishes ng Indian food, right?
Yes.
So, let's start.
Start. Okay.
Our boneless chicken tikka masala is done. Next, boneless chicken biryani.
I'll confirm muna. I will confirm.
shrimp?
No, the bangus.
Okay.
Sabaw. Just mix it a little bit.
Grabe. Ito talaga yung masasabi mong nasa tunay na kitchen ka kasi ganito yung itsura mo. Sobrang pawis na pawis talaga. Pero very worth it. Kasi kita mo naman, yung mga niluto natin today, mga season worms. Ang sasarap nito. At yun na nga! Tapos na nating lutuin yung tatlong dishes natin today. So ito yung boneless chicken tikka masala. This is the boneless chicken biryani. And this is
Dosa.
dosa. Ito yung, this is the new one, right, on your
Yeah.
menu?
Yeah,
So, yeah. Tikman natin. Let's taste it. Ito yung lagi kong in-order sa Indian Fusion, guys. Yung chicken tikka masala nila. Ito yun eh. Ito yung guys. I know na how to cook. Chicken tikka masala. And of course, the chicken biryani. What are the benefits of biryani rice?
High fiber,
Mm-hmm.
and then with low calories.
And fluffy. Tasty.
Yeah. And this one, first time ko matitikman to, ito yung dosa nila. Sorry guys, pause na talaga ako. So, Chef Arifa taught me how to eat this. So, hindi siya malayo sa kung paano kumain tayong mga Pinoy. So, ganito lang. Sa Bisaya ka, kusikon lang siya. And then, ito yung dip niya. Sobrang sarap nito. As in. So good! Do you wanna invite them to visit you?
Yes, please visit us in IT Park,
Cebu Mercado.
Cebu.
Also, they can order through their Facebook page or through their Instagram. So visit Indian Fusion Cebu.
And also they can order biryani as by LEBE.
LEB Delivery. Delivery, yes. So ipa-flash lang namin dito. Please download the application for you to order Indian Fusion from that application. There you go. Thank you so much, Chef Vincent and Chef Arifa, for teaching me how to cook Indian dishes. And I've learned so much today. I hope kayo din mga seasoners, may natutunan din kayo ngayong araw. So that's it. Happy anniversary! Happy first anniversary
Thank you.
Indian Fusion
Thank you.
Cebu!
Thank
Yay! See you on the next episode. Say bye mga seasoned and orbs!
Bye mga sis and orbs!
Yay!